हेलो एंड वेलकम टू LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज। मैं हूं मंदिरा बेदी और मेरे साथ हैं क्विज मास्टर आदित्य नाथ मोबाइल। LIC जैसे कि आप जानते हैं इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है और उन्होंने कंप्लीट किए हैं 60 स्पार्कलिंग ईयर्स। इन 60 सालों में उन्होंने हर कड़ी का ख्याल रखा है, बच्चों से लेकर बड़ों तक, पढ़ाई से लेकर सेहत तक। LIC ने हर कदम पे आपका साथ निभाया है।
अपनी डायमंड जुबली को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए LIC ने जोड़ा है देश के युवाओं को। अगर आप बनना चाहते हैं स्मार्ट युवा तो आपको करना होगा LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016 के सिटी राउंड्स को पार।
सिटी राउंड्स पार करने के बाद आपको मौका मिलेगा, 8 टीम्स को मौका मिलेगा मुंबई में सेमीफाइनल्स में हिस्सा लेने का। उसके बाद 4 टीम्स जाएंगे फाइनल्स में और उनमें से जो विनिंग टीम है उनके सर पे सजेगा LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016 का ताज। उन्हें मिलेंगे आकर्षक इनाम, एक ट्रॉफी और सर्टिफिकेट। हम पहुंचे हैं हैदराबाद के सिटी राउंड के लिए। लेट्स सी व्हाट द हैदराबाद कॉलेजेस हैव टू ऑफर। Okay, let's start with you. Osmania Medical College.
I'm Dr. Sudhir Mane. I'm a house surgeon at Osmania Medical College and General Hospital.
Okay.
I'm Syed Murtaza Hashmi and I'm a third year student at Osmania Medical College.
Aurora College.
I am Mohak Agarwal from Aurora Degree College, pursuing my BCom.
Okay.
I'm Anurnath from Aurora as well. I'm a first year student of BCom Honours.
Welcome. Nalsar University of Law.
I'm KVS Lokesh, a fourth year student from Nalsar University.
My name is Balaji. I'm also a law student.
Okay, and Gandhi Medical College, we call you GMC.
I'm Mridula Rao, third year student of Gandhi Medical College.
I'm Siddharth B. Rao from first year of Gandhi Medical College.
तो हम शुरू करेंगे पहले राउंड के साथ। पहला राउंड जिसे हम कहते हैं नीड फॉर स्पीड, ये एक रैपिड फायर राउंड है। हर टीम को 30 सेकंड्स में सवाल पूछे जाएंगे। यू कैन आंसर अप टू 8 क्वेश्चंस, कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है। 10 पॉइंट्स फॉर अ करेक्ट आंसर।
ओस्मानिया मेडिकल कॉलेज।
आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
Which ancient kingdom in eastern India was ruled by King Anantha Padmanabhan?
Ahoms.
Incorrect. For which American state is the newly discovered element 117 named?
Tennessee.
Correct. Who is the current Union Minister of Law and Justice?
Pass.
Which new line of phones by Google is to replace the Nexus
Pixel.
smartphone? Is correct. In which sport is the Sultan Azlan Shah
That
Trophy
is hockey.
awarded? Is correct. Which city is served by the Swami Vivekananda Airport? You can take that.
This is Kanyakumari.
Incorrect. I'll give
You
you the
will
answers to the ones that
get
you
the answers.
missed out on or passed. The ancient kingdom in eastern India ruled by King Anantha Padmanabhan. This is Kalinga. The current Union Minister of Law and Justice is Ravi Shankar Prasad. And Swami Vivekananda Airport serves the capital of the state of Chhattisgarh, which is Raipur. So,
But all in all, that was a very good performance. 30 points. Great start for you. Aurora, let's see if you can match up to that. Do better. अगर आप पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
to which place was Napoleon exiled after his defeat at Waterloo?
Pass.
By what name do we know the chemical compound nitrogen trihydride?
Pass.
Which country is currently headed by Ashraf Ghani?
Afghanistan.
Is correct. What is the name of YouTube's new offline mode app?
Pass.
For which country did Socrates and Leonidas play international football?
Pass.
Which city is served by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport? You can take that. You have to be quick though.
Gandhinagar.
I will give it to you. Gandhinagar or Ahmedabad, either one would have got you the points there. Not bad, you're on the score sheet और
Yes.
मैं आपको उन सवालों के जवाब दे दूं जहां पे आपने सही जवाब नहीं दिया. Napoleon was exiled to the island of St. Helena after his defeat at Waterloo. Nitrogen trihydride, NH3, commonly called ammonia. YouTube's new offline mode is called YouTube Go. And Socrates and Leonidas played for Brazil. Whenever in doubt, go with Brazil. Okay?
चलिए, नालसार यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लॉ, अब आपकी बारी है. Your time starts now.
In which building was Mahatma Gandhi imprisoned in Pune from 1942 to 44?
Yerawada.
Incorrect. In which category did Yoshinori Osuni recently win
Physiology
the
and medicine.
Is correct. Who currently serves as the Chief Minister of Kerala?
Uman Chandi.
Uman Chandi.
Incorrect. Which Asian country's CCTLD is .KH?
Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan.
Incorrect. Which football club in the ISL is Harshvardhan Neotia co-owner?
Northeastern United.
Incorrect. Where I've started the question when the bell rang, so I'll complete it. Where would you find the Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport? Which city?
Gangtok.
Is not correct, Nalsar.
Scored yourself 10 points at the end of this round. Here are the correct answers.
महात्मा गांधी को 1942 से 1944 में पुणे में आगा खान पैलेस में बंदी बनाया गया था. The current Chief Minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. .KH is the country code top level domain or CCTLD of Cambodia. Harshvardhan Neotia is a businessman from Calcutta or Kolkata, and Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport serves the northern city of Leh.
So GMC, this is the last team to attempt Need for Speed, round 1. And if you're absolutely ready, your time starts now.
Who was the last independent Nawab of Bengal?
Pass.
What property of a material is measured on the Mohs scale?
The hardness.
Is correct. Which person of Indian origin has served as the governor of Louisiana?
Pass. Bobby Jindal. Bobby Jindal.
You've passed that. Which was the first indigenously designed fighter jet aircraft of India?
Pass.
Which legendary hockey player was the brother of Dhyan Chand?
Pass.
Which city is served by the Maharana Pratap Airport? You can take that.
Jaipur.
It is not Jaipur. Maharana Pratap Airport. The last independent Nawab of Bengal, defeated in the Battle of Plassey by the British East India Company armies, was Siraj-ud-Daulah. The person of Indian origin who has served as the governor of Louisiana, you passed the question, so we cannot accept any other answer, was Bobby Jindal. The first indigenously designed fighter jet of India is the HF-24 Marut. Dhyan Chand, the wizard of hockey, had a younger brother who was almost as prolific as him. His name was Roop Singh. Udaipur is served by Maharana Pratap Airport.
ये है scores. GMC and Nalsar at 10 points apiece. Aurora at 20 and Osmania lead कर रहे हैं इस पहले राउंड के बाद at 30 points. पर मैं आप सबको बता दूं, अगला जो राउंड है वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा राउंड है, खतरनाक भी है. मतलब आप बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स गेन कर सकते हैं, उसमें आपकी मर्जी होगी, सॉर्ट ऑफ, काइंड ऑफ. उसके बारे में हम आपको बताएंगे इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद.